Welcome to session 1, and the topic of today's discussion is overview of biomolecules. So what are biomolecules? Uh, so you may be curious, and this whole uh, semester will be discussing about all the four important biomolecules. Let us see what are these biomolecules. So this is a graphical representation of what are biomolecules. So this is our yeah. So these are nucleic acids, and these are proteins and representative of proteins, and these are lipids, and these are a representative image of the carbohydrates, right? Okay. So within all life forms on earth, from the tiniest bacteria to the giant sperm whale, there are four major classes of organic molecules, macromolecules. They are called, which are very, very essential for the life to sustain. They are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. So these are the four important biomolecules, or we also call it as macromolecules. Both are one and the same. So they are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and they are nucleic acids. So nucleic acids are nothing but DNA and RNA. All of the major macromolecule classes are similar in that they are large polymers that are assembled from a small repeating monomer subunit. So when we look at these four important biomolecules, the proteins, the lipids, the carbohydrates, and the nucleic acids, proteins have the building block of amino acids, and lipids have the building block of fatty acids. Carbohydrates, they have the sugar residues, and nucleic acids, they have the nucleobases or the nucleotides as the building blocks. And these monomers, they join together to form polymers, right? They join together to form amino acids, join together to form a polypeptide. Fatty acids, they join together to form a lipid. This is a representative image. And sugar residues, so glucose monounits, monomers join together to form a large polysaccharide. And similarly, the nucleotides join to form a polynucleotide, which we call as DNA or RNA. So overview of biomolecules. Living things are carbon based because carbon plays an important prominent role in the chemistry of living things. The four covalent bonding positions of the carbon atom can give rise to wide diversity or complexity of compounds with many functions, accounting for the importance of carbon in living world. Carbohydrates are a group of macromolecules that are vital energy sources for a cell. They provide structural support to many organisms and can be found on the surface of the cell as receptors uh, of the cell for recognition. Carbohydrates are classified as monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides depending upon the complexity of the monomers. Lipids are a class of macromolecules. They are nonpolar and hydrophobic in nature. Major types includes fats, oils, and waxes, phospholipids, and steroids. Fats and oils are stored form of energy and can include triglycerides. Fats and oils are usually made up of fatty acids and glycerol. Nucleic acids are the molecules made up of repeating units of nucleotides that redirect cellular activities such as cell division, protein synthesis, and many other such activities. So the nucleotide is made up of a pentose sugar and nitrogenous base and a phosphate group. There are two types of nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. So proteins are a major class of molecules that can perform a diverse range of functions of the cell. They help in metabolism, the enzymes which are very, very important in metabolism, provide structural support. All our muscle and other thing, it is protein. All our hair is protein. Enzymes, they act as carriers, they act as hormones. They are the building blocks of proteins are amino acids. Proteins are organized at four levels. They are primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. They have four conformations. Protein shape and function are uh, intricately linked, and any change in the shape caused by changes in temperature, pH, or chemical exposure may lead to the protein denaturation. And loss of the function, change in the structure may cause loss of the function. So protein structure and function is very, very important in living organisms. So this is an assignment. You need to write, fill in the blanks. This you have to write the monomer, polymer, job function, element, and example for all the 4 biomolecules. I hope you have understood this. These are my references. Thank you, one and all.